Hello everybody. Today I got this servo motor that they stopped running. I guess it's something like bad batteries. The only thing that this kind of motors, because are servos, if you see it, I got two plugs right here. This is for the 3-phase, this is for the encoder. And these things right here, when you start taking it apart, the encoder right here, it needs to be in the right position, because they're reading the phases, like A, B, C. If the encoder is set up right in the middle and two phases, it's gonna run kind of funny. Either way, they don't run, or run too fast or too slow. So that's one of the problems working with servo motors. So this servo motor here is for the CNC machine, like I say. It seemed like it was running for, I don't know, 5 years, 6 years. It's so dusty and dirty. And I'm gonna try to take it apart. And basically, I already opened this cover right here. And right here, this 2 leads, I guess, for the thermal protection. You see right here, you see all these little wires right here, and there's a little plug right here. Now you can disconnect it. You see right there. This is the plug. All these little wires go to the little pins right here. And then encoder right here. I already make a line right here. It's right there. So it's right there. Do you see it? So now I'm gonna take it apart. Take it out from the motor. I just gotta be careful with these things. It's right here. This little thing right here, it has like a little disc inside. Look at that. So basically, this is the one control the motor, like saying turn 100 turns or 20 turns and stop, or runs fast, runs slow. This is control that. Without this motor, they don't know what to do. What should I do? Which way I go? So this is the one sending the signal to the motor, and this one goes to the computer on the CNC machine. Anyway, that's what it is, like that. And now I'm gonna open the motor right now. This. So this is the ember right here. And this is the rotor. This rotor here is magnet. You see this? Look at that. That is a good signal. The rotor is good. It's good right there. Look at that. See? this is the stator right here. Look at it has like insulation seal, epoxy I guess. Look at this. So the 3 phases right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna check my ohms here. Let me get my ohm meter. It's right here. So the ohm meter you gotta put in ohms, so we can read the ohms in 3 phase. See that? It's 3.7, 3.7. And 3.7. So one of these is the ground. If you can hear that, that's the ground right there. Because I'm touching this lead, the ground lead goes to one of the pins. Of course, this is the body of the stator. So now I check in each line here, nothing. So that's what it is, the servo motor right here. A little piece right here. So like I was saying, this is the encoder. And I'm gonna change new bearings and everything. Make sure my house is good for my end belt. So it's right there. So this is what it is, a servo motor here. A rotor, a stator, and the encoder right here. An encoder like that. So right now, this is what it is, and later I'm gonna change new bearings and everything, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the encoder when I put in this motor back together in my second video. And I just want to say thank you so much for everybody to watching this video. Thank you to everybody. Thank you so much.